Hello, welcome coffee lovers. Nice to have you back here on my channel. This time I will introduce you to these two new coffees by Nespresso. It's only a quick fact check of these two coffees. So have fun and let's start. This time the limited edition is called Reviving Origins, and more or less officially they are part of the Master Origin range. That means that these two coffees are single origin coffees, plus they can be prepared both as espresso and lungo. The first coffee is called Esperanza de Colombia and the second one is called Tamuka mu Zimbabwe. Both coffees have intensity of 5 and the price depends on the currency of your country. For example, here in Germany each sleeve is €6. Also, depending on your country is the availability of these coffees. That means not in every country where Nespresso is distributed are these coffees available. And for example, here in Germany, the Reviving Origins are only for purchase for the original line. That means for the small coffee capsules, but not for virtual line. So this is also depending on the country. Alright, this should be enough for a quick fact check of these two coffees. If you want to read up the facts, or if you want to know more about the program around these coffees, or if you want to know my review, my opinion about the taste of these coffees, then you should visit my blog. There I have written down all the facts of these coffees and my review. So then have a nice day, enjoy your coffee, and we'll see each other again on the next video. So bye bye!